Are you a homeowner or real estate agent that is fed up with your current home warranty company? I hear it all the time. It took 5 days for someone to come out. The service was bad. I've heard it all. But what have you done to change things? Consider getting a home warranty through home membership instead of one of those large national companies. At Home Membership, our warranty services are backed by our member guarantee and hundreds of 5-star reviews from our members. We take the principles of a home warranty but blend them with services every homeowner should do, but never get the time to. Our membership is designed to save you money on home repairs, home maintenance, and homeowners insurance. How do we do this? You can build your membership to include maintenance, warranty, and insurance services. If you choose our maintenance, we will come out to your home every year and service your HVAC system, clean your dryer vents, flush out your water heater, deliver furnace filters to your home, and more. With our home warranty added to your plan, you shield your wallet from expensive home repairs or replacements if one of your appliances or major operating systems break down. Lastly, to round out your membership and get a $0 deductible on all warranty claims, consider placing your home and auto insurance with Home Membership. We are an insurance broker and shop all the top-rated companies to find you the best coverage at the cheapest price. Think of us as membership care for your home. Lastly, I invite you to Google us. Check out our reviews from current homeowners and realtors. You will see we make home ownership easy and save you money so you can enjoy the more important things in life.